Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in again. So today's video we're gonna be adding the air intake or installing a modified air intake. Yeah, a lot of companies make them. They're for the E90 platform, they're way overpriced. You understand? I think AFE got one, InGen, but today, you're gonna see which one I'm gonna install, so stay tuned. Kind of dark. See, some better light in here still, but you see, turn on. Alright, so right now we're gonna do the unboxing. Alright, so this is everything. The heat shield. Put that one side. A little instruction booklet. All the little trinkets and parts we're gonna need. Main piece for the intake and the filter. Take it out. Alright, so yeah, checkpoint tuning. So in today's install, we're gonna put in this custom intake CPT, which is checkpoint tuning. This is their cold air intake system for the E90 BMW. So I'm gonna get started. You see all the parts, you see all the extra. Check out the instructions. But some people say man don't need the instructions, but yo, I'm gonna take a look on this. Alright, so right now, flat the airbox has to come out. So that's what we're gonna be working on. So you gotta pull this screw, and yeah, pretty much this. Detach the part right. Detach this, and the airbox will be out. So let's get started. Alright, that's one screw. You can see. Alright. This is out. Now, I'm gonna pull out this part right here. It's very simple. Pull out this. Alright, I got this disconnected right here. Next thing to do is disconnect the mass airflow sensor and pull off this, pull that clamp hose so I can pull this whole box out. So that's next. Alright, got the airbox out. Almost done. Moving on to the next step, I gotta pull this out and route the intake under here to get to the throttle body. Alright, so power steering reservoir, we adjusted that so I can get some space to pull this out. I don't know if you can see, but we pulled out the little piece right here. So now, you see this little box on it? That little box is what causes your air intake to be silent. Some people use they modify and they will get just a silicone hose and replace this to get the extra sound. But yeah, I want to go to full 100, so I didn't bother to do that mod. But it's pretty cool because this little box is made to be like a silencer for your air intake. But let's move on to the next step. Yeah, so I had to stop shooting for a little bit. I was getting a little frustrated because, you know, with my situation, I had to lean over in the hood. I couldn't hold the camera, but I'm back. Everything is all buttoned up and sorted out. Take a look. So that's it. Everything is reattached. The little heat shield is here. Filter, map sensor back in. Everything all buttoned up. Yeah, so I'm gonna turn it on, let you guys hear how this sound with the new intake. Alright, you can't see me, but you can hear this. So you hear that new intake? This thing sounds crazy. My gosh. But yeah, I'm gonna do it again. I'll get some help so that way somebody can hold the camera out better, like this. And so now I have assistance, I got somebody could be inside revving while I'm getting the visuals and also catching the sound. But so far the shit sounds crazy. So the intake's in, mind the dirty engine bay, but yeah, that's it is. Meanwhile, so that's the dirty engine bay there. Intake's in, you can see. And yeah, but my mistake of when I was working on this, I kind of damaged the mass flow sensor, or the map sensor, however you want to call it. So now I gotta replace that because I gotta check engine light on. But normally you shouldn't have that problem if you take it out and take care of it. And yeah, me just being rush and fast, I just pulled it out and just left it, and I guess kind of damaged it pulling it out or whatever, because the connection piece is actually broken because I didn't pull it off correctly. But yo, slight minute thing that, but the car out and job is done, just gotta replace that now. You guys wanna get a few revs? Alright. Alright, so there you go, a couple revs to do intake. I actually should have got some revs with the factory one on there, but so you can hear the difference. But right now, this is popping, I like it. I'm gonna go for a drive and test this out. I'm gonna see if when you're recording when I'm driving to see how that works out. But yo, stay tuned, got more niceness. So right now we're back outside, the weather looking nice. So hopefully we can get the sound clip them so you can hear the intake. This camera can catch it. I'm using a new mic setup. So let's see how this works out. Stay tuned. More niceness. Thanks for watching my YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Stay tuned for the next adventure with Buddy.